What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. I got a first look today for you guys at the Yeezy 500 Stone and the Yeezy 500 Slate. Two shoes that have yet to be released, but we got them right here, so say less of all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. So we first saw the Yeezy 500 release to us back in February of 2018, and over time we've seen a variety of different colors. There's been salt, there's been the desert rat blush, there's been the bone, there's been a variety of different colors, but today I really want to know what you guys think, so we're going to unbox these. And here we have the Yeezy 500 Stone. So as you see right off the back, the similarities that mirror the blush or the desert rat colorway. The material story is very close, but it's almost what I like to call preen on preen. So we have the Adiprene in the midsole, outsole. So this shoe does not contain the boost. So we have the suede right there in the toe box. At least I think, yeah, this is definitely a suede material. We have the leather underlay right there. We have the tonal laces, so the same stone colored laces, and what I like to call preen on preen. So it's a new material story, a new material additive to the Yeezy 500, in which the neoprene upper that you'll see right there is very soft to the touch. And then we have the Adiprene midsole, outsole. Once again, with the material story, just layers of different materials throughout the entire shoe. No real back pull tab, but once again, the Adiprene has the stone laces that you guys can see right there. We can take a look at the insole, which reads the Ortholite, Adidas, and Yeezy. So this shoe, like I said, does not contain the boost. This is an Adiprene midsole, outsole, so we'll get to the outsole now, and you'll see. One of my favorite things, as of course you guys have been liking and sharing all of our videos, is the gum sole. So I'm a huge fan of the gum sole. So this Stone Yeezy 500 features full gum throughout the outsole. We have the no marking hit right there in the heel. So I'll give you guys one last look at the Yeezy 500 Stone, and then we're gonna transition to one of my favorite Yeezys, and it just released, it's actually not even out yet, the Yeezy 500 Slate. Yes, I called it as one of my favorite Adidas Yeezys of all time, and I know it's yet to release, but we are going to unbox the Yeezy 500 Slate. So you'll see the box is slightly larger than the normal Yeezy 500 styles, features the 500 on the top. And once again, let me know what you guys think of these in the comments, because I think they're absolutely fire. But here we have the Yeezy 500 Slate. So automatically, right off the top, no pun intended, these are high top. So this is the first Yeezy 500 high top shoe. I'm a huge high top fan, and yeah, just the colorway, the aesthetic of this I think is really fire. So we have the suede throughout the entire upper that you can see in the different hits. We have the leather underlay. Once again, the neoprene material in the upper is very soft to the touch, so this shoe is like extremely cozy, great with whether it be denim or sweatpants or whatever you feel like putting on. We have the overlays here right there above the midsole, outsole. Once again, fully tonal with like navy, pretty much navy detailing throughout. Slight hits of gray with the leather, but it's pretty much fully tonal navy throughout the entire shoe. We have the hang tag here that you can see, and as we get to the tongue area, so you'll see the tongue is completely blank but has the pull right there in the front. We get to the back tab, multiple material layer detailings, which feels like a rubber overlay right there. We have the suede underlay and then the leather right there in the back tab. Here's the inner panel of the shoe. Once again, the neoprene, so it's preen on preen, as I mentioned. The Adiprene midsole, outsole. Another thing I mentioned in numerous videos, as we just talked about the gum, love the gum outsole, but I love the sail detailing that comes on a variety of different shoes that have recently been released. So this is no different with the sail outsole, full sail outsole. So I'll give you guys one last look at the Yeezy 500 Slate High, and of course, we're gonna close it out with a few other models of the Yeezy 500. So as I mentioned earlier, there have been a few different styles of the Yeezy 500 to release. So of course, the first one was the Yeezy 500 Blush, or Desert Rat, whatever you feel like calling it that day. We have the recently released, actually we didn't get to unbox these, but these just released, I want to say maybe last week or within the last 2 weeks. It's the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision, also features the gun bottom. We have the Yeezy 500 Stone that's set to release, and also the Yeezy 500 Slate. So we have all of these along with the additional 500s and all the additional Yeezy styles right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now of course Instagram TV. Make sure you guys follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, and do not forget to check out Stadium Women. Download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And if you have any questions regarding anything Stadium Goods, anything Yeezy, anything 4-year anniversary, please make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salute.